Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Aries. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, Aries, we are picking these cards. So, these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Aries, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, you can watch that reading. And if you are interested in a personal reading, Aries, I have a good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fiverr, and you can contact her. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies today. So Aries, today we have, sorry guys, Four of Swords in reverse, Six of Wands in reverse, and Queen of Wands. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are someone really talented, skilled, and you are trying to do things the right way, working really hard, and you are a very friendly person, dedicated to whatever choices you make. So today in your life, Aries, you are working really hard, striving to do the best in your life today, in your work or in your personal life. And maybe you may see some obstacles or some difficulties in your work, or it may be in your relationship. So you have something holding you back, something is making you feel a lot of apprehension, some fears about the future. So what may happen or what will unfold. So some kind of a confusion or doubts today in your life. So maybe in this relationship, you are afraid of something. You are afraid that this person will misunderstand you, that person will not believe in you. So some kind of fears are there in you, and you feel stuck. You feel that you cannot make a decision because this person may find fault with that or may feel offended by your choice. But you need to understand that you cannot live for others, Aries. You must make honest decision whatever you need to do. And today, if you are able to, if you are able to think wisely and deal with your situation in the right way, thinking clearly, you are going to see good changes in your life, proper circumstances unfolding. So you need to handle your circumstances with care. So maybe some important decisions in this relationship, you need to think twice, think thrice, think clearly before making that choice today, Aries. So for your relationship, we have one more card, Five of Swords. So this relationship, it is a work in progress. You need to make a lot of efforts, and these efforts must be something wise, something good, something you need to do with attention and care. So there is a long way to reach that compatibility or a good understanding in this connection, Aries. So for your career, we have one card. We will see what it is. It's King of Cups in reverse. So in your work circumstances, maybe for some of you, you may have people who are working against you, who are not like you, who are not honest, who are not devoted like you. That may be the reason for some troubles and some financial loss you would have faced or you are facing today. So that is the energy here, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Aries. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstance, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's see what is the first card. For those who chose this card, Fork in the Road. So maybe today you are making an important decision, something you need to do, and you are in a circumstance you have to make a choice today. And this is the time of evolution of your relationship. So will you choose to go towards a possibility of a deeper commitment or moving away from this person, maybe walking away? So what is it that you want? You must make a choice that is true to your intentions. So it must be a honest decision, something you must base on the truth you have within yourself. So there is nothing right or wrong in a choice today. So if you move forward with this relationship, it just means that you truly love this person, and this decision is based on truth, and you will have made a conscious choice today rather than simply hanging because you don't want to be alone, or ending things because you are afraid of a genuine connection. So today the energy with this card is all roads lead to the lessons you need to learn in this relationship. So there is nothing right about this choice and nothing wrong about the other choice. So regardless of the decision you make, you should make a decision based on your truest intentions. So what you truly feel and what you honestly desire, that is what must be the, that must be the deciding thing in this choice. So you must make the choice that is true to your heart. That is what this card is about, authentic choice. When you do that, you will be moving on the right path no matter what choice you make today. So that is the energy here. And for those who chose this card, that is a reading for you all today. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, we have the Nixie of Mill Pond. So with this card, the energy is that maybe you are quite emotional and you are trying to avoid a particular circumstance because you want to avoid that emotional situation, and you want complete control, but you are unable to control your feelings and your emotions. And today, this card is about facing the circumstance. So, whatever it may be, you need to face that emotional situation, whether you are afraid of it, afraid of handling those emotions, whatever it is. If you face that circumstance, you are just going to overcome all the fears, and you are just going to free yourself of this curse of fear of certain emotions today. And this circumstance is here to create a emotional change in your life. That is the reason you are in this situation, facing up your fears, and you will be tested. But when you face the emotions that you have been avoiding till now, that will be the end of sorrow you are experiencing because of these emotions, and it will bring joy, happiness, and love, and it will bring recognition of your true soul family, maybe people who are truly close to you, who are truly concerned about you. You will be able to identify those people today if you face this circumstance, and instead of avoiding something, you need to have that courage and strength, determination to face it and get it over with. So that is the energy here with this card. So that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Thank you, guys. I will see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.